Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a review on these box braids that I have in my hair. Yes, these are crochet box braids, and the size is actually large. So these are this is the actual brand that I used right here, and it is 20 inches, and it is from the brand, it just says Senegal Large Braids Box, and it's 20 inches. So yeah, and this is what the packaging looks like. I originally got 6 packs because usually when I do all of my twists, I always use like 6 or 7 packs. But this time, guys, I actually had to use 9 because I did leave out a row for my crown of my head. I actually braided these in separately myself so that it could look a lot more natural when I want to put it up into a ponytail. And so I got the braids a lot smaller up here, as you guys can see. You can see the braids, which is totally fine because I never really wear them down. So it's perfectly fine. I'm usually a person who either wears it like this, like a ponytail, like to the back, or I usually wear like a bun at the top, or sometimes I do like 2 buns, but I never really wear it down like this. So that's completely, like, totally fine with me, that, you know, I had to do them smaller, but it looks so natural on the sides. And I actually love the quality of this. And this is the one that says it's a hot water set. So make sure you get a hot water set just in case you plan on using. I use 1 entire pack to do the crown of my head for these, and then I just dip them in hot water because sometimes it doesn't like set in with the hot water when it's not like, I guess, the hot water set of the canker line. So yeah, this is 9 packs, and let me show you guys what the back is looking like. So this is what the back looks like. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for an inexpensive style, I think all the way together it was about $60, no more than $65. Make sure that you get a crochet needle, and you're going to need, if you want to do your crown, then you're going to need at least 8 or 9 packs if your head is as big as mine. But if not, if you're going to make your braids bigger, then 6 or 7 packs will probably suffice and be great for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Videos will be up every Friday. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.